good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a great time. Welcome to my channel. For those who don't know, I'm Francisco Silva, and I want to bring people throughout the music to socialize. This is our goal, this is our mission. Throughout the rhythm culture, bring people together and talk. Sorry for the image. New look, new cut. Just wanted to make this video because if you guys didn't see the last shot I put out there, was amazing gentleman around his 80s years old, and he was rocking. He was rocking on the dance floor with the lovely lady, and it was amazing. I didn't have the chance to talk with him in that day, but I've been with him a couple of times and we talk about it, and I asked him, and I'm back. Sorry guys, by the way, for the noise. Just arriving here. I'm on the move again, a little bit late. Give it context of the background. So what I'll say, it's the gentleman, I had the chance to talk with him, not in particular in that night, but I know he's a very enthusiastic man, and he's been going around these events, salsa events, for a long time. So it's not about the age, guys. We cover all the backgrounds, all ages. You can come. It's not just about salsa as well. It's about gathering and socializing. Come outside, talk with people, you know. Even this event, salsa and the classes, maybe you can find your partner. You never know. New friends, new people to talk, right? So this is our goal. It's to bring people out to enjoy, socialize, have fun. That's our goal, our mission. And if you can see, there's people for all backgrounds, ages. It doesn't matter, right? So just come out, enjoy. You don't have a chance to visit us here in London right now. Well, we go to you and find around your city places where people might be having these events, you know, socializing, and probably I'll meet you there as well, right guys? Come on, let's go. And before we close this chapter, guys, once again, sorry for the noise, for the wind, just outside now. Just wanted to tell you, if you like what we're doing here, and we hope to bring much more entertainment to you guys, but for that to happen, I just need a little favor, just to subscribe to our channel, right? Hit that bell notification, so we know when we post something new, and share with your friends. And I hope to see you on this event soon. Take care, guys.